I'm in my bedroom and I'm going to show you some skill with a Nerf gun. Look, it's my Nerf gun. It's not the best Nerf gun, but it'll do. Okay, this is how to use some skill. 2 seconds, just move that a little bit here. There, this is some skill. Well, step 1, you aim. You aim, you spin around and you go boom. You reload. Another one is you act dead. You lie down, act dead with your Nerf gun, and then like all of a sudden you go onto your knee up, wow, boom. That's what we're talking about. Then you can just like quick work. Then you just reload. Yeah, just put my bullets back in. I'll show you something else. And then I'll get like a dummy or something to show you, to see how good I am with a Nerf gun. And like, you can rate me in your head. I'm alright. I ain't the best, but better than some people. Okay. Reload. Get a teddy bear. And if I shoot this teddy bear, this little teddy bear first time, yeah, I win loads of cash. Okay? Okay. Oh, whoa. Oh, sorry. The teddy bear's not up. So, the teddy bear can be here. Sit here so you can see him yet. No, I'll put him on there. Phew. Okay, over here and see if I can shoot him. I'll do a 360. Wah! Boom! Oh, see that bullet? That's just amazing. Do another one. Oh, my bullet didn't come out. 2 seconds, I didn't fail. It's just that my bullet didn't come out. Oh yes, bingo. Oh, see that? That was epic. Oh, I did alright, didn't I? I told you I weren't the best, but better than some people. Just getting my bullets. Oh. I'm missing 2, missing 1. Found it. Yeah. So when you get home, like, or wherever you are, ask your parents if you're allowed, like, if you're allowed a Nerf gun, or if you've already got one. Practice on a teddy. It's like quite good fun as well. You'll enjoy it. Okay. So say bye to the teddy. Bye. Bye. It's my little teddy. I had him when I was a kid. Okay, see you later, peeps.